Conversation starters. So what does that mean? So conversation starters provide an easy way for your customers to initiate a conversation with your business. So it is like providing a list of frequently asked questions when they actually try to message your business on Instagram or Facebook for the first time. So conversation starters support on multiple channels. So obviously it actually works on Facebook and Instagram, and it also works on web chat as well, and also you can set this up on your Google Business Messages profile as well. So let's see how to set this one over here. So here I'm in a demo account. So here in settings, if you go to Facebook Messenger, here you will find the option to set the conversation starters. So it says conversation starters provide a way for your users to start a conversation with your business with a list of frequently asked questions. So you don't necessarily need to use just frequently asked questions. You can also send people to specific kind of offers you already have. So first of all, we have to create whatever the conversation starters we want to create. So after that, we can actually set that particular conversation starters over here. So let me go to the flows option over here and start creating the conversation starters. So here I want to create 3 conversation starters. So let me create one flow over here, AI chatbot platform. So when someone actually click on that AI chatbot platform, we want to send them this message. It's very simple. So let me simply add text, and you can add the text in a new block as well, add the link. So that's it. So if you want, you can actually add buttons over here and provide a button name and link that particular link over here. That's also possible, but I want to keep things simple. So let me create one over here, and after that I want to create another conversation starter which says book a free consultation call. So let me go back to the flows over here and create another flow named as book a free consultation call. And here when they tap on that particular book a consultation, we want to send them to this particular messages over here. And after that I want to send another message for them, providing this particular link to book a consultation. So here you can even add the delays also possible, as you see here, typing delays, those kind of things, but I'm not doing here anything. And we also provide an option to contact the support. So let me go back and create another flow over here, add new, contact support, and here when someone says contact support, we want to simply send this sort of message for them and add content text. That's it, and click publish over here. Alright, we have created 3 conversation starters: contact support, book a free consultation call, and also AI chatbot platform access. Here now you can actually set the conversation starters on Messenger, Instagram, web chat, and Google Business. So here, for example, let me go to the Instagram over here, and here you can find the conversation starters. Here you can set it. So likewise, if you go to Messenger, you can find it over here. And for example, if I go to Google Business Messages, if you click on manage, and here you can set the conversation starters and set the specific flows. So let me do this over here. So for example, let me open Instagram over here and set the conversation starters we have just created. So the first one is a chatbot platform access. So here, and send the flow a chatbot platform, and click this plus button to add it. Done, and click save, and it's saved. So here we have added only one conversation starters over here. So if I go to Instagram and click on edit over here, here you will find one conversation starters over here. So likewise, you can actually add the other. So let's say free consultation call. That's it, that's enough for me, and add it over here. And here you can actually select the particular flow as well. So if I say book a free consultation call, save it. So we have added this one as well, free consultation call, and we have one more thing left, which is contact support. So let me add that one as well. Here, oops, we have to actually select that particular flow. If I search support, contact support is here, and click add, and click save over here, and it is actually saved. So if I go back to integrations, channels, Instagram, and click on conversation starters, we should see all these 3 conversation starters set up over here. now we can actually test this, how this actually works. So let me share my phone screen over here, and here we are in the Instagram profile of the test account. So if I try to message, so these conversation starters will show up when they actually try to message your page for the first time. If I click on message over here, as you see here, whatever the conversation starters we have set up, it's already popping up here. A chatbot platform access, free consultation call, and also contact support. For example, if I tap on this button, one of the options, let's say AI chatbot platform access, then it simply sends us the message we have set up over here. You can find details about our platform here, and it simply provide us that particular link as well. So if I have tapped a different button over there, then it might have provided a different option as well. So let me delete this particular chat over here and test this again and see if we can trigger the other conversation starters over here as well. And as you see here, it again pop up as I actually deleted that particular chat over there. And now let's choose a free consultation call, and it simply provides us a link to book a consultation over here. And as you see here, over here, likewise I can show the demo of how this actually works on other channels too. So let me show the other conversation starters. Contact support. So it should simply say you can contact our support through this particular WhatsApp or email us at this particular email. So this is how these conversation starters works on Instagram. So likewise you can set the same thing on the Facebook Messenger and the Google Business Messages as well. So in terms of web chat, if you go to the web chatbot, click manage over here, and we have this web chat created over here. And here you can actually set the conversation starters. As you see here, you can set this is very similar to what we have set up on the Instagram. So here you can even add button label and also the flows. For example, book free consultation call, and if you want to set this one as free consultation call over here, you can easily do that over here. So let me open that web chat. So brief, and here, this is how you can actually set the conversation starters over here. Let's test the conversation starter we have just created. So let me copy the generate link and paste it over here. Let's see what happens. And as you see here, when they tap on the web chat widget, they will see that particular conversation starter. As you see here, we see the free consultation call over here because we only set up one conversation starter in the web chat. And if I tap on this free consultation button, it simply provide us the link to book a consultation over here. So here we have one conversation starter over here. So let me tap on this button, and it simply send us the link to book an appointment over here. So that's how you can actually set conversation starters on Messenger, Instagram, web chat, and also Google Business Messages. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.